Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be explaining two functions that is used for exploratory data analysis, and they belong to the dplyr package in R. So the first function is group by and the second function is summarize. So group by actually groups a value, a categorical value in a particular variable, and the summarize uses any aggregation that is applied on the group by to give you a particular group data. So we are going to be using the diamonds data set. So the diamonds data set actually belongs to the ggplot2 package. So we are going to create a data. We are going to call it diamonds. So let's have a view of our data. So this is our diamonds data set. So how the group by actually works is that if you look at the categorical variables we have, cut, color, clarity. So these are the categorical variables we have in our data set. You can see that under the cut we have ideal diamonds, we have premium diamonds, we have good diamonds, and also have very good diamonds. So one thing with the group by is that when you want to group now by cuts, let's say for example you want to find the average price of diamond belonging to each cut, then you have to group the cuts by each value. So we're going to group by ideal, premium, good, and very good. Then we'll now get the average price of the diamonds belonging to this particular cut. This same thing we can also apply to color, and we can also apply to clarity. So the group by is usually used for categorical variables. The summarize function is now going to apply an aggregation on another variable that we want to use with the grouping, with the grouped column. So for example, I said we want to find the average price. Then this summarize column is now going to calculate the average price for us and create a new column which will go together with our group data. So when creating a grouped data, you are basically creating a new data set. So let's see how these functions work. I'm going to call this group data, which is equals to diamonds. I'll use the pipe operator to pass it to the group by function. So we're going to be grouping by cuts, diamond cuts. So before I forget, I want to load the dplyr package. Let me load it, library, dplyr. This is our dplyr package that we're going to be using. Then summarize. So this summarize can carry any aggregation. Do you want to sum? Do you want to get the percentage? Do you want to subtract a particular value from each values? So this summarize actually aggregates the continuous variables so that which you can use with the group by. So now I'm interested in getting the average price. So average price is equals to the mean of the price column. So now when I call the group data, so you can see now it has already grouped my cuts based on the average price belonging to each cut, each diamond cut. You can also use this and try it on other columns in the data sets, such as the clarity. So that's all about the group by and the summarize function. In another video, I'm going to be talking about other dplyr functions which you can also use with the group by, such as arrange, such as mutate, and so on.